Today, we have an exciting video prepared for you, which will tell you about incredible machines in the factory operating at an entirely new level.
Let's go.
The preparation and processing of food products have long been areas where the use of robots was limited. However, industrial robots are increasingly being used in the primary processing of vegetables, confectionery, and food production. You can join two metal pipes not only by welding but also using friction. The production of glass bottles is a process that involves a series of technological stages, and there are several variations and technological approaches depending on specific production requirements and characteristics. An experienced plumber can join two pipes using a simple fitting, even in a tight corner on the wall under water pressure. Professionals like this are always in high demand. Wrapping products in a package is not difficult, but what do you do when you need to package a massive roll weighing over 2 tons? Agreed that the production of car tires resembles the creation of a spaceship more. To manufacture razor blades, metal is first divided into thin strips for further stamping.
Any cook will appreciate this invention for molding.
Green seedlings automatically jump into the holes with the help of such an ingenious mechanism.
Cutting paper with a computer has now become much easier and safer.
Fruits are harvested from trees by hand or with the help of special knives. After harvesting, the fruits are split, and cocoa beans are extracted from them, which are then subjected to fermentation.
Thank you for watching until the end. I always strive to improve the quality and offer you something new and exciting, so I'm confident that you'll like the next video even more. Thanks for your support. Subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything.